Where is Mr. Arup Sengupta? He is not to be seen. Yeah, he is not to be seen. Okay, did you, Mr. Chandransu Hajra, right? Did you see the? Oh my God, he is going off and on. So Gokulnanda ji,
Yes, sir.
आपने किया क्या? आप बोल रहे थे ना कि कुछ लिखा है इस मैसेज में कि आपने कुछ
हाँ सर.
किया.
Shall I read out?
Yes, some
I have written. Let me read out. Title: Bringing Malar and Sitari Mankide nomadic tribal families of Ghatgam block to the mainstream.
तो आपने लिखा है क्या?
Yes, I have written. Within 2-3 minutes, it can be completed.
Okay.
Backdrop: the Mallar and Sitari tribal people are nomadic by nature, like Mankidia tribals. When the Mankidia tribals earn their livelihood from monkey catching and forest, monkey catching from forest and collection of roots and tubers are the main livelihood sources. The Mallar earn their livelihood from minor forest producers like honey, jhuna, and other forest producers like Myrobalan, Bahada, Amla, etc. The Mallar and Sitari tribal dwells under the trees by making temporary shelter in the polythene sheets and other materials like forest grass, etc. Due to deforestation and non-availability of food in the forest, the Mallar and Sitari tribal families come over to township in search of food. Nowadays, they are dwelling in polythene sheds near the Ma Tarin temple, and main source of their livelihood is collection of left out foods of the devotees. The children are also begging along with their parents. In order to transform their lives, the IDP team under the leadership of Mr. Gokulananda Oja have taken an initiative in cooperation with the local community and the block administration with the knowledge of district administration. On 30th July 2018, we have started a feeding cum education program for 41 children. In the initial period, we have received some support from No Hungry Child Bangalore. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the program is suspended and families have scattered. As they have lost their main livelihood, they are now moving in the nearby villages and earning their livelihood by begging. What we have done so far? We have linked all the 42 families with the block and district administration, as a result of which all people will be registered under Aadhaar, all eligible people will get voter ID, all eligible families will get household plots by the revenue department, all eligible families will get dwelling houses under PMAY. Action programs to be taken up: community kitchen, this will be a 6-month period program. Working lunch and dinner to be arranged for 65 people plus 41 children, total 106 people. Children's education center to be opened for 41 children for a period of 2 years with a midday meal program. After 2 years, the passed out children will be admitted into the nearby government school. Then awareness program on health, hygiene and sanitation, skill training program on beekeeping for Mallars and aluminium work for Sitaris, linkage program with the government department and with NGOs. Budget: temporary polythene seats for houses for 42 families at the rate of 2,000 rupees, it is equal to 84,000. Education program expenses: teacher salary for 2 years 1,20,000, helper salary for 2 years 60,000, TLM for 41 children 4,100, uniform for 2 years for 41 children 24,600, supplementary nutrition, midday meal 5,90,400. Training expenses average 2 lakhs. Linkage program 50,000. Total 11,33,100. If we spend 11,33,100 within 2 years, these 42 families along with their children will come to the mainstream. Sir, I completed it. Just I have given them just idea.
What is the reason for you to choose this tribal group? What was the reason? Why you were inspired to take care of these 42 families?
Sir, before that, in 1991-92,
your face is not visible. I think your audio, I mean that video is not focused on here. It is showing table. It's showing table.
Sir.
Now you see only table. I am able to see. I'm not able to see your face.
So what?
I think in that video you should make it reverse. Means there will be one front frame, back frame will be there in video in your mobile. When you tap the video, the camera is now facing table only. It is not showing you.
So what to do? That is not.
Okay, no problem. Otherwise, you switch off the video and then speak. No problem. Switch off the video.
Sir.
No problem.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in 1991, we have a small experience that we have rehabilitated the nomadic Mankidia tribals. They were living like small leaf huts and they were earning their livelihood from catching monkeys. They were taking monkey place and collecting roots and tubers from the forest and earning their livelihood. And when we saw them, we interacted them slowly, gradually. It take about 3-4 years to rehabilitate them. Nowadays, the Mankidia tribals are totally rehabilitated. All their children are reading in school. They have now job card, ration card, voter ID, Aadhaar. They are now living like us. They are not going. They have totally given up this monkey catching and taking monkey place. They have totally given up. They are now not. They are not going to forest to catch monkey or to collect the roots and tubers. They are living like human beings.
Earlier, when they were catching monkeys, what they were doing with monkeys?
Sir, they were taking only monkey place, roots and tubers from the forest. They were not living like us. They were not taking food like us.
They were not taking food like a normal.
No, sir.
They were not behaving. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They were behaving like monkeys.
Sir, for this work, the governor of Odisha have awarded me for this Godfrey Philip Bravery Award for Social Act of Courage in 2009. For this work only, sir.
Okay.
And in our second attempt,
I am looking at
trying to.
No. I am looking at one primary reason story, which is heart-touching story for you.
Sir.
As to why did you choose this? There is so many other social activity which are available.
Sir.
You have chosen anything, but you have chosen one. This group of people who are behaving like monkeys. Correct?
Yes, sir. These Mankidia tribals, they were collecting monkey place, monkeys, catching monkeys, and they were taking monkey place.
Okay.
Now they are rehabilitated.
No, correct.
Now,
correct. That's okay. But you took interest in making them come to mainstream, like behave like us.
Sir.
Right.
Sir.
And my question is, why did you do this? Why did you choose this activity?
Sir, you see, now these Molar and Sitari tribals, they are now living under the trees. They don't have any house. In the polythene seeds and forest grass, they are living.
I have
and they were
no. I have understood the problem. I have understood the program.
Sir,
My question
sir,
to you is why you have decided to help them? Why you? What is the reason for you to?
sir,
Hmm.
sir, their main source of livelihood is now they are collecting the left out food of the devotees who are coming to Tarin temple. Whatever food they take and whatever they left, these people are collecting these foods and eating.
Okay.
They are left out foods they are collecting and eating.
Okay. Anyway, fine.
Uh,
You are doing this
sir.
since when? Since when you are doing this?
2030th July 2018. From your whatever money you have given to me during my visit to Bangalore, with
Hmm.
that money we have started the work. We have also informed you. We have sent you videos. We have informed the district administration. The collector Keunjhar, he has visited twice this program, and the collector he agreed. Now he agreed to give them houses under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. And collector has instructed this Tahsildar to give them homestead land. And Aadhaar is in the process. 4 or 5 people they have got the Aadhaar and voter ID. Gradually we are in touch with them, and we are trying to make issue them this Aadhaar and voter ID, ration card, job card. When all these things, these are all government programs. They have the right to get it as per the constitution. And they will get this dry ration from the panchayat under this food security program.
Okay.
Since these are government program, they will get, but we have to facilitate.
Okay. All right. Fine. Okay. Now my question to all the three of you,
Sir.
Mr. Arupji, why you are wearing mask?
I'm in a cyber cafe,
Oh,
Calcutta, not having connections very well. So
I
I am
see.
sitting in a public space.
My God.
So I can't take out my mask. I'm
Okay,
sorry,
okay.
but I can talk. So
Okay.
you'll have to bear with me because this meeting is very important for me.
Yeah, I understood why. Yeah, I was wondering why you are wearing mask. Okay. So you have a problem at home, is it?
Yeah, this thing, broadband is not working.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm in a cyber cafe. I cannot miss this.
Okay. All right.
So I'm on my handset right now. I'm trying to get audio here, connect up in my laptop.
अभी मेरा वीडियो हो गया.
Right. Okay. And now आपका वीडियो हो गया. Correct. Yes. अच्छा, now
Sir, we don't have ATG. We have FCRA and 12A.
that you told me other day, but I told you to
Sir.
apply for ATG immediately.
We will apply, sir. Very soon we will apply it.
Like how you
But it
apply
is
for,
not possible.
yeah, love,
Within 2-3 months, it is not possible to get.
you went and checked up?
No, sir. We will apply. If we will apply today, when it will be issued, we cannot say.
No. Normally, I'll tell you
Huh?
what is the rule. Okay, if
Sure.
you apply for ATG and 12A
Sure.
without paying money, okay,
Sure.
within 6 months you will get it. If you
Sure.
don't pay any bribe.
Sir. Sir.
In 6 months' time, either they should
Sure.
reject your application
Sir.
or they should give you ATG and 12A. They cannot
Sure.
keep quiet. IT people
Sure,
cannot
sir.
keep quiet. Okay.
Sir. Sir.
Now, what mistakes can happen is,
Sir.
the mistakes people NGO do is, they go and apply in a wrong jurisdiction area.
Sir.
Okay, they go to some other area and then apply. After 6 months, they discover that this is not the place to apply. You should go and give it to that particular ward number so and all that they will tell you. While applying, if you understand all these things while going there itself, if you ask these questions, am I coming to the right place to apply for ATG? Okay, people will guide you there. People will tell you, yes, yeah, this is the right place, or it is not the right place. Then they will tell you the procedure to apply, because you are applying without paying fees.
Sure.
Okay, so without paying anything, you can get it, but 6 months it will take. Okay.
Sure.
Now, if you go through a known person there, means catch hold of somebody there, and then through that person, if you pay money, you can get it within 3 days also.
Sure.
Okay.
Sir, how much is the bribe, sir?
It all depends. वो लोग वो उसके मुंह में जो आता है वो होगा.
No, but फिर भी some this thing yardstick, because I'll have to do the same also, sir.
It differs from place to place, person to person.
I paid 5,000. Okay. But that is because my auditor was very smart. My auditors were very, very smart. So he said, even this 5,000 you need not have given, he told me. You need not have given even this 5,000. He's supposed to give you this because it had come to his neck. He has to either refuse or reject, refuse or sanction. If he refuses, he must give valid reasons.
So
there was no reason for him to refuse. Because all programs I'm doing, everything, all the documents, what he had asked for, I have given. Bank statement I've given him photographs of the programs and all that. So why he should refuse? He should not refuse.
Correct.
So he had to give. But then because I went there and met, he said, the auditor told me that I made a mistake of taking you. If I had not taken you, because he was asking me directly, like commissioner was sitting and said, see, what he was trying to say was that, no, you have already collected so much of money, even before ATG is given. Like that he was asking. He was trying to find out why, you should pay tax for that.
Correct.
So my auditor was saying that where to pay tax? All the money which we received are spent for the program.
Correct.
So where is the money to give?
Correct.
Are you asking him to pay from his pocket? Then he kept quiet. He knew the auditor knows the job. Okay. So, but still I paid 5,000. Okay. So it depends on your auditor, your smartness. So the money can be from 5,000 to 50,000 to 1 lakh to 2 lakhs, depending on the particular NGO. 1 lakh, 2 lakhs and all will be too heavy. Even he knows that it will be too risky to ask that much of this thing. But if your turnover and all is very good, he will ask you. Because he will see the bank statement. In bank statement, if the turnover is good, he will ask money.
Correct.
But he will ask money through people, not directly. The clerks and other people will say, the peon will say, "Itna to de do, kaam ho jayega." Okay. So Gokul Nanda ji, आप जाके immediately apply करो.
Sir.
ATG apply.
This month will apply.
Yeah. Just go simply.
Sir, is it possible to link with some foreign donor body for this project?
Foreign, no, see, you have FCRA, right?
Yes, sir. FCRA and 12A.
FCRA is there. FCRA is there. Okay, we can do something. We can do.
This is small amount. It is 11 lakh only because of this midday meal program. If we deduct this midday meal, it will be about 3-4 lakhs. Midday meal is 5 lakhs, 97 or 6 lakhs.
No, we will aim for that 11 lakhs only. It will come.
Sir, if we start this project, if we sanction this project, this will be a focused program in the district. It will be focused. Since the collector has twice he has visited.
We'll do that. There is one in the Indai, there is one platform where we can apply and we can raise this fund. Okay.
Sir, we can do it. We can make it a collaborative program of IDP and NOC, No Hungry Child. Jointly, we can do it, sir.
Yeah, we can do that.
With joint banner, we can do it. If we do it in a joint banner, suppose, sir, we don't have to ATG. You can mobilize fund in ATG in your name.
No, correct. What I'm saying is, FCRA is there. FCRA is there. We will raise in your name. Don't worry.
Sir. Yes, sir.
We'll do that.
Sir.
Foreign funds will get.
Sir. I think I will make it a very good, well thought out proposal with, and I will send it to you with all documents. FCRA, 12A, audit report, everything.
Yeah.
Return files.
You send it to me while we are preparing that, we will
Sir.
use all the documents. Let it be in the form of soft.
Sir, ठीक है sir.
Okay. Now I want to ask all of you one question.
Sir.
All of you have got Facebook page. You have got
Yes, sir.
Facebook account. You have got.
Yes.
I don't have a Facebook.
Yes.
Chandra,
I have to open.
Hajra, you have got Facebook.
Yes.
You have got Facebook.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Gokul Nanda, Ugaji, you have to open one Facebook account.
ठीक है sir. ठीक है sir.
It is not difficult. Okay, you can simply open one Facebook account.
Sir.
You have to upload photographs and all that. Okay.
Sir.
Now I'm going to show you groups that you have to join after opening the Facebook.
Sir.
Okay, just have a look at this.
Sir.
If you have a pen and a notebook and a pen, please note down what I'm going to tell. It is very important now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
GoFundMe.
No, I'll show you some more.
I think I read. Yeah.
Yeah, you read
GoFundMe
that.
was the one I.
Yeah, you read
Yeah.
that. But I'm going to show you something.
Sir.
So you have to go here in the search column. After you open the Facebook account, okay, you have to go to search column. Okay, in the search column, you have got something called donations group. Donation group. Okay, if you go to search column and put it as donations group, you will get some group where more than, I'll show you how many people are there, how many members are there, and show you. $14K means 14,000 members.
That's big, sir.
It's a big number. Okay. 14,000. Next one is 6.1K means 6,100 members. Okay. 19K means 19,000 members. So here you will get something called join group. Now it is loading. It will come now. Join group will be there. You should go and join in all these groups. Okay, like you see join. Okay, join, join, join. Okay. Donation group. You know. Then you see here, if there is something called see all is there. See all. So in this see all, if you click, more groups will come. When you click that, now you saw only three or four. Now when you say, see donation wanted and donation available. Okay. These are all groups where you have to join. GoFundMe and donation page, you know. So you should go and join this group. And when you join this group, you should cultivate a habit of putting one post a day in your main page, not in this group people, one main page, and you share it with people, these groups. What is that we are going to post is whatever good activity that you are doing, okay, photograph or mainly photograph or video, one of these two things. Apart from that, you should also give some clear description about the activity that you have done. What, Ojaji?
Sir.
You have to put images and
Sir.
You have to know whatever you have written and all those things, like that. Some content should be there. You have to post it in Facebook page and you should share it in these groups.
Sir.
So here you will get interested people getting in touch with you. So your program is slightly unique.
Sir.
It is very rare that these kind of issues are being addressed by people.
Sir.
So you will create actually curiosity in the minds of people to ask you a question about what do you do in this.
Sure.
Okay, because the tribe that you have chosen is something very unique.
Sure.
So that is why you should join and you should become very active in Facebook.
Sure.
You should get followers. You should get likes. It will take time for you to really become very strong in Facebook because you are still not started. Okay.
Sure.
There are people who have started, but they are not active. Okay. Sure. You should become active.
Sure.
So for that, you have seen my page. If you see my page, you will find likes, followers, people asking, all that comes automatically. Automatically, I don't do anything, but automatically they'll come because of the initial work that I have done. Initial work, whatever I've done, I used to post it in the Facebook. All the work, my photograph, my pictures, videos, everything is available there. So you study my page later on, but like that you have to put you have to make your Facebook page very active.
Sure.
Then there is something called philanthropist.
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 Sure.
So if you type that, then again you will get groups there. Philanthropist group. You have to go join there also. Okay.
Sure.
See, philanthropist group. Okay.
Sure.
Philanthropist of America. Philanthropist group. Philanthropist network. Giving is rising. Silent philanthropists.
Sure.
So all these groups, you have to be part of it. You should join the group.
Sure.
Then you are all there in NGO groups. Arupji, are you there in NGO groups and all?
Yes.
You are there in
Some of
NGO?
it, not all.
Not all, no? Yeah.
I'm noting it down. Yeah. I'll do
Yeah.
that.
Then you do NGO group. NGO group, if you have, there are hundreds of NGO groups are there. Wherever large number of people are there, go and join. Now you see All India NGO Association. You should join there. All India NGO Work Information. You should join. Okay. NGO and Funding Agency, India. You should join there. NGOs and Social Development. Join there. West Bengal NGO Group. You should join. World NGO Work Information. World NGO. All NGO and Trust Group. All NGO and Trust Group. NGO funding, NGO guidelines. NGO funding, NGO guidelines. Funds NGO. Funds NGO. Funding opportunities. Funding opportunities. World NGO Helpline. India Corporate Social Responsibility. International Organization of UN Volunteers. Then Namo Group, Narendra Modi Group. Namo Group. NAMO. CSR funds for NGOs. CSR funds for NGOs. Platform for NGO welfare, trust, fundraisers, donations, CSR. Incredible India. Incredible India. Art of Living. Art of Living Group. So there, the people who are coming, who are in the group, they are all Sri Ravi Shankar's devotees. They're all philanthropists. They will donate a lot of money. Then you have got Keto Group, KETTO.
They do crowdfunding also.
Also is there, but there is also Keto Group. Group is there.
Ah, yeah.
You can join there.
Hmm.
I think this should be good enough
Yes, to start with.
to start with. So many options are there. You
Yeah.
join in all these groups. Philanthropist group is there, then donation group, NGO group, then you go for funding group. Funding.
Sridhar, can I ask a question, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I have my own page, Arup Sengupta. I also have a page for Notun Jibon, right? And Notun Jibon page has at least 10 posts a day of all the activities we do
Very
with
good.
photographs and videos. So should I make both of them join the group or just Arup Sengupta?
No. Only that page. Nutan Jivan is enough.
Achha, so Notun Jibon and not Arup.
Yeah.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah, that is enough.
Thank you. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
See,
Thank
now
you.
you come to funding groups. Okay, you got NGO and funding agency India group.
Yeah, funding groups.
Funding groups, NGO and funding agency group India. Okay. Then India NGO funding opportunities.
Yeah.
Crowdfunding UK. Crowdfunding UK.
Crowdfunding UK.
Crowdfunding help group. Crowdfunding help group. Help group. Yeah, I think this should be fine. Okay, now all these groups you have to go and join. Okay, join and do what? Do what? Post your activities. Whatever good activities that you are doing, whenever you are doing some activity, this is one place where you can go and park yourself, the activity. Don't ask for money, nothing. You don't ask anything. When they see the activity that you are posting, they will automatically contact you. Okay, they will contact you. They will be interested in your activity. So they will automatically come. If your work is good, definitely they will contact you. Okay. Then what you have to do, this is one big thing. Then you have to build your email list. Building your email list should be done with immediate effect. First, you pull out all the Gmail contacts that you have. You know how to pull out the contact details from Gmail?
Yes, Arup here, yes.
Yeah, Chandransu, you know how to do that? How to get Gmail contacts?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll just quickly show. Okay, you can come here to Gmail. Okay, then you got something called contact. Here, if you see this, these buttons are there, right? On the right side. Now, Gmail looks like this, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
You got here right side some menu options here. Next to your profile photograph. Here, these dots are there, you see. Not able to see dots? Ojaji, are you seeing?
Yes, sir.
Dots are there. Are you seeing that?
Which one, sir?
Here, dots. My photograph is here, right? Here is my photograph.
Yes, sir. We shall.
You are not
I
able
can't
to
find out.
right? You see your right side
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Right corner
Your
top.
photograph is there.
Next to that, there are dots.
9 dots.
There are 9 dots here.
Yes, sir.
See, next to
9
my
dots.
photograph, there are 9 dots here, you see.
Yeah.
You saw?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
yes, sir.
Okay, you have to click there
Okay.
and then you go down here. Contacts is there here. Okay, you click this contacts. It opens up like this. So all my, even my phone numbers and all that is there. So here in this Gmail, okay, you will get this export option. This is called export option. Just note down. You go do your search later on. Okay.
Sure.
Just note down. In Gmail contacts, there is something called export.
Export option.
If you click that export option, it will ask you whether you want it in the form of PDF format or CSV format. Okay. You take it in the name of CSV format. Okay.
Sure.
And first thing is this once you export in the CSV format, once you export that, then you have to upload that in GetResponse. You have to upload that in the GetResponse. Okay, what will happen when you upload it in the GetResponse? Now today, in your Gmail contacts, once you export it, you can filter. Supposing it is your friends, families, all those things, you can exclude all that. You can remove all that. Okay. Whatever is new contacts and then some important contacts where some vendors would have contacted you, some strangers would have contacted you and all that. Those people's address, you upload it in email, GetResponse. Okay. And then whenever an appeal has to be made, that time in a bulk way, apart from adding more people list and all those things, you need to bulk mail all these people in one shot, which you would not have done so far. Because it is in Gmail, you would not have asked any of those people. Am I correct? You would not have asked anybody. Okay. Now what happens in this kind of GetResponse is there, when a mail is being sent, the mail is doing the talking. You are not doing the talking. Okay.
Correct, sir.
If they are interested, they will donate. If they are not interested, they will keep quiet. It doesn't matter for you. You are not picking a phone and talking to them. You may get, you may not get. But these activities will generate funds for you. What you have not been doing, I'm trying to make you do it now.
Sure.
So that it will help you. Now you have to build your email list. How to build your email list? Okay. In GetResponse, there is something called form. You can note down form. All these tutorials are all available in GetResponse itself.
Yes,
There itself, there are tutorials available. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll tell you the usage of this thing. That form has to be utilized. That form, whenever you're posting in Facebook or whenever you are writing a mail to somebody new, make them enter and then submit. when they submit and when they get into your mailbox, get response email list, it is a gold mine for you.
Mm.
If you keep adding your email list on a daily basis, and if it goes beyond 10,000, 20,000 email list, okay, your life is settled. After that, for whatever program that you are looking for, your requirement is not huge. 10 lakhs, 24 lakhs. Okay, that is the maximum that you are asking for. This 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs per month and all, you should simply raise only from this kind of email list itself. You can get it. But you have to build. So the building of this email list is a big art. Okay. For that, the first step is this Facebook. Okay. Next is YouTube. YouTube, how many of you can speak boldly? You have to speak. Now you know you are come on camera, right? In whatever language you are comfortable, you should stand before, just take a video, explain about your program, and then upload it in YouTube. How many of you have got YouTube channels?
I have.
Ojaji, you have?
I don't.
No, sir.
Okay. So will you start that YouTube channel?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, I can start.
Yeah, it is very simple. You start the YouTube channel. Okay. Start speaking now. Okay. First initial few videos, don't worry about how it is. You are feeling nervous. Nothing of that sort. Nobody will feel anything about it. Whatever you are doing, you are going to talk about it. Now what thoughts you have about the mobile van and all those things? Explain. Explain and put it in a video and put it there. Voja,
Sure.
whatever you told me about this, the tribe which you are talking about.
Sure. Sure.
Explain that in Oriya language and in English. In English.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
And upload it in YouTube
Sure.
with a nice title.
Sure.
Good title. Okay. Initially, you do this, and tomorrow I would like to see a sample of that.
Okay.
You should share YouTube link to me.
Okay.
All the three of you.
Yeah.
Sure.
Make an appeal. Means
Okay.
you say what programs you are doing. Just talk about your program, your plans, right? And what is that you are looking for from the general public? How can they come forward and donate money? Okay. What is the way to donate money? I have seen your website, Arupji. Nicely done, but you don't have payment gateway.
Sorry?
You don't have payment gateway.
No, I have a payment gateway. I'm repairing it because, as I told you, after my wife's expiry, we are cleaning it up, sir. But there was a gateway, right, which was showing the 8TG and 12AA also. I just give me 2-3 days because the gentleman doing it is under Corona red area, so he can't enter his office. His laptop and all are there.
Okay.
So just give me 3 days, sir. I have
no problem. Yeah, I saw that. I was
Yeah.
wondering why you don't have a payment gateway. Yeah.
No, it's just that we are cleaning it up.
Okay.
So the other thing is,
Yeah.
every day at 9 o'clock in the night,
Huh.
I go live on Facebook.
Excellent.
And I get about 300-400 because I'm a trainer by profession.
Huh.
So speaking form is not a issue. So I get about 300-400 hits, right, per day. And some money trickles in. It doesn't come in big lumps, but it does trickle in. But it helps because Instagram instantly gets it.
Absolutely.
On
Yes.
Facebook, there's a compliment there.
Yes. Yes.
So I also do that, sir.
Excellent. And
9 o'clock
you're
in the night.
religiously doing at 9 o'clock in the night, is it? Every
Yeah,
night.
yes.
Which means
Yes.
people will be expecting you on that at that time. There will be people will be
Yeah.
expecting you to
Yes.
come and speak.
And I tell them from the afternoon, what am I going to talk about? And I talk about life.
What do you speak actually? What do you tell them?
See, it's like this. Good afternoon, friends. So, how was your day? Mine was excellent. Let me tell you a story. First, I say a small story about a beggar or something like that.
Yeah.
And then I say it's so important for us to smile in these days. So a little bit of that, and then connect it to what I do generally. And my association in the street children or in the sex worker colony. So it's always with a good story, connected to the topic I want, and then I tell them last any NGO you feel you're comfortable with, please give them at least one plate of food or give them 100 rupees.
Right.
This is your Dada signing off. God bless each one of you, and that's how I end the thing. I'll send you a link, sir.
Right.
I'll just send you one of my Facebook link. Correct me. Tell me what all needs to be added on.
Sure. I used to do one program like this for some in the initial stages. It was called No Hungry Child Challenge. Okay. What I used to tell people is that if you go to a restaurant and have food, right? You take one takeaway. Supposing you're going to a restaurant and taking your normal lunch, food, and all those things. Apart from that, order one takeaway. Okay. Come out with that takeaway and search for a street child somewhere around. Okay. Who will be actually somewhere there in that road, on the road.
Yeah.
Go to him, hand over that, make him eat, take a selfie, and post it in Facebook page.
Sir.
What ripple effect it used to have, if they do, their friends will do. Their friends will do. Everybody will start doing it. Everybody will start doing it and become so viral.
Yeah, it becomes viral.
And it was for a specific period of time. I think for about 15 days I had this. It really caught on like anything. Wonderful. It was about 8-9 years back I had done that. This was too good. Like that something, very interesting, which will motivate people to help people. Then what happens? First they will try to do outside. Then they will try to come to you. They say this man has come out with such a brilliant day, because they will get appreciation from their friend circle, their social circle, and all that when they do this good job. So then, since you are instrumental for making them become so famous now, they will get connected with you, and they will start supporting. That's how the viral effect is. You should utilize this digital platform in such manner. So that is why I chose to educate you people to get into this digital world and see the power of it. Because some people are very strong in that. Some people do it, but 95% of the people don't know. 95% NGOs are not into digital platform at all. They are banking totally on only government. And government to deta nahi hai. Okay. And they'll be living in the hope of getting funds from them. You will not get funds, and you will be struggling all the time. So instead, you find a way. You find a way and be happy. Don't depend on government at all. You see, my website very clearly says, with no support of government.
Yes, I saw that.
My website very clearly says, I don't take any support from government at all, but I am self-sufficient. In fact, what happened was, when I launched this nutritious meal program and started giving good food to children in different schools, the government schools children started demanding that food is what we require.
Wow.
And government was forced to approach me on their own. And they said that you offer, and they gave me 62 schools to provide food to them. So I took it. First time I took it. Then I underwent a serious problem. What problem was? They will not give you money immediately. So you have to fund yourself, and you have to provide food and all that. Afterwards, you have to submit bill.
Yes.
And the bill takes another 60 days for making payment.
Oh, yes.
But your children needs food every day.
Every day. Correct.
So which means every day I have to put money and then give them the food. Problem one was that. So working capital was a big problem. Second thing was to pass the bill faster from table to table. I have to take care of people.
Correct.
Okay, from table to table. Then I decided 3 months I did. I know 6 months I did. 6 months I did. I got paid for 3 months. I got my money for 3 months. Another 3 months I didn't get at all.
90 days backlog.
And then I left it. After that, I left that program. No point in doing government programs because that was a big mafia actually. The rice they were giving, rice they were giving, but that rice is useless. You cannot give it to children. Very bad food, very bad rice. But there is an underground mafia where from godown itself, it will not even come to my godown. From that godown, it will go to some other place, and they will give you money for that. They'll give you money for that. They will say that, okay, you have got it, but I will take it because you don't require. I will take it. They will take that. They will give you a discounted price for that. And that money will come. With that money is not sufficient. Okay. So ultimately, if you see, the project was going under loss. So then I decided to stop it. No government support. And boldly I started writing after that. Till then I was at least subtle. But once this experience I had, then I decided I will not go to them at all. So there's no point. Okay. So, last thing that I want to do was to complete. This is a very simple formality. Give India registration. Okay. Give India registration and CSR box registration. It is very simple, but they have to approve. In Give India, there is no money to be paid. There is no money to be paid. You can simply register and wait for them to accept your your NGO, and then once you are there in Give India's website, then you will start getting funds. Who are the people who are giving funds? Means all over the world, they choose Give India as one of the trusted platform to donate to different NGOs. Instead of directly donating to NGO directly, they will go to Give India and they will donate through that platform. So in that platform, if you are there is a possibility of you getting some funds. Okay, you cannot bank on that, but you should be present. It is something like you should have an email ID, you should have a phone number, like that. This is a must. If you are an NGO, you should be present in giveindia.org because the whole world knows about that, giveindia.org. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. Okay, and for Mr. Arup, it's a very simple Google form that you have to submit. That's all. Have you tried, Mr. Arup? Did you go to that?
Yeah, I'm in that.
You are in that? Okay. Can I see? Can you share the screen?
Today I can't, but I'll send you the link because see, I'm on the handset right now.
You're
Sitting in the cyber cafe. I have an issue today, but
Uh-huh.
definitely share it with you all.
Okay. Now I'll show my screen. So giveindia.org. Giveindia.org. Okay. If you go here, see, you will not be able to find out where to register and all that. You are able to see the screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You can't find out where to register here in this website. Okay. So here there is something called previous platform. Okay. You should click that previous platform. So when you click previous platform, it goes to their old Give India website. So you come to this page. in this page, you can see in the top, donate, about us, payroll giving, fundraising, then help center is there. You come to help center. In that help center also, you have to choose NGO help center. Okay, if you choose NGO help center, so it opens up. So there is a, here there is some, what does listing of NGO with Give India mean? It means when we list an NGO, we carefully scrutinize it to see if it meets Give India's listing criteria and few other criteria to determine whether or not the organization is eligible to be listed in our site. The criteria are objective and the entire listing process is done in a transparent manner. Our team invites application from NGOs, verifies their documentation, obtains validations or references, and organizes a visit to the NGO before certifying the organization's compliance with the norms. Once an NGO meets all the norms and signs an MOU with us, we list them on our website. So, but you need to express your interest. So here we are an NGO hoping to get listed with Give India. How can the NGO apply? Click this. So there is something called registration form here. Bitly Tier 1 registration. So you have to click this here. And then now I will register for Nutan Jeevan.
NOTUN.
One minute. Yeah. NUTAN.
NOTUN. Notun. NOTUN.
Okay.
Notun Jibon. JIBON.
Nutan Jeevan. That's all.
That's all.
So you are in Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Is spelling correct?
Yes. KOLKTA.
Only one T.
Yeah.
Okay. State of headquarters, West Bengal.
That's one.
What is your website address?
www.notunjibon.com.
Contact person is Arup Sengupta.
Arup Sengupta.
Mobile number
700
700
334
334
789.
789. Okay. Email ID
arupsg@gmail.com.
ARUP
PSG. Sugar God.
Sugar.
God. SG.
Okay. SG
Sorry. arupsg@gmail.com.
at gmail.com. Cool. At gmail.com. Okay. Your NGO is registered as what? Trust, society. What is your trust? Is it a trust or society? Hello? Yeah, yours is a trust or society?
Trust. Registered trust.
Trust.
Trust. Okay. Do you have a valid 12A? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. What is your PAN number?
Company PAN number.
Yeah. Trust PAN number.
Trust PAN number. 1 minute. I have to give you that right now. Sir, I don't have it with me here.
Okay.
What can I do?
Can you call and get it? We can,
Yes,
yeah, we can
I
register.
can
Yeah.
try that. PAN number also to PAN card. Photo. I'll just see, sir, because
Yeah.
sir, I think 12A will have my PAN card. It is A capital AAD
AAD.
TN
No, D for Delhi.
T. Yeah, AAD for Delhi,
Yeah.
T for Tamil Nadu,
Okay.
N for Nagpur,
Okay.
then 0
0
110B.
110B.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in the year 2015-2016, okay,
My one.
2015-2016.
Now my PAN card registration.
No. I'm asking next question. Next question.
Okay.
How many beneficiaries did you work with in 2015-16?
In 2016, beneficiaries, we worked with street children, 367.
Okay. And what was your expenditure?
For the first year, roughly 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. Okay. This is there in your balance sheet. Your balance sheet audit.
Sorry?
This number is available in balance sheet.
The balance sheet started from 2017 to 2018, 2019 to 2020. I have a 2-year audited balance sheet.
Okay. Which is the primary area of your work?
Education.
Education. Select other causes you work other than health. You also work for women, right? Do you?
I work for sex workers.
So that is not there specifically. We can say
but
that.
Women, underprivileged women.
Yeah, women. You are in West Bengal.
Yeah. If transgenders are there, we work with transgenders also.
Yeah, that is not there.
No, they will not put it.
That's it. Now we have submitted this number 700-334789.
Yes, that's my telephone.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, I think I have typed wrongly. Can you tell me once again?
70034.
34 is it? Okay.
Yeah, 34. 7889.
7889. 7034. 70034.
7889.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So this registration form, I'll give you this copy and then post it in your WhatsApp. Okay. So this is the confirmation that your registration form has been submitted now. This is without documents and all. Then they will ask for documents by writing to you separately.
Yeah.
So I've posted that it has been done, accomplished today.
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow we will work on CSR box.
Ah.
And then day after tomorrow we'll work on Fuel a Dream.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now other two members, Gokul Nanda and
Sir.
did you understand this registration process?
Yes, sir.
You understood,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please do it yourself also, and tomorrow you confirm whether you have done it or not. Okay. It's easy. It's not difficult. The only thing is you need to go to find out that where is that registration form. Finding that is difficult. Okay. So you have to go to giveindia.org.
Yes.
Then go to previous platform. In that previous platform, go look for help center. In that help center, look for NGO help center. Then there you will get this registration form. And in that registration form, you have to give these details and submit. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Right. Thank you. I have sent you day 1 and day 2 also to
Yes. Recordings. Yes, sir.
the recording. Now day 3 will be sent to you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Right.
bye-bye.
God bless everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.